God damn, it's like every day my hair gets longer. So, guys, we're gonna do it. We're gonna take the old truck out of hibernation. There we go. I'm gonna use our already crippling economy that is still crashing to pump some premium dinosaur into my race truck for cheap. So, we're off to go get some premium gas and we're gonna fire up the old oh shit. If I was smart, I probably would have moved the Civic while that was running to then get to the truck. Guys, it's gonna be a 2-hour thing today. So let's get home. I got my coffee. Let's fire some, let's piss off some neighbors. That's probably the best way to say it. Well, fellas, I wasn't kidding. Goddamn. I have to dig her out. Wow, she's fucking buried. She's just buried. Ooh. Yes, of course. I got some shoveling to do. Holy shit, it's cold! Oh. Alright, so this old girl's been hibernating for about 9 months, 10? No, so I broke it in June. No, May. Broke it in May. Fixed it in June or July. And it's sat. So, moment of truth. I don't even know if the battery's dead. Shouldn't be. So step one. Oh, keys it. Huh. If I was smart, I probably would have checked it, but I didn't. So instead, we're going to use the Civic half battery, and that's not going to do enough, but that's progress. Fire her up. She ain't happy, boys. Oh, I thought that was already warm. What are the chances that the Civic's gonna run? What the f? Huh. I'll take it. This is going better than I expected so far. So, you know, sorry, videos are slowing down. Shit's tough. I'm sure you guys know that too. You know, the whole world's kind of hitting the shitter. Fallout 5's coming sooner than we thought. So stay safe with the coronavirus. Good old COVID-19 or whatever it is. I guess I'm gonna have to try and do some different content. Different styles, maybe not some vlogs. Because parts are not coming anymore. So I don't know how long that's gonna be. So maybe we'll do first drives of the Civic. I have a few others I might be able to put up, but shocking that the truck started. Also not shocking that I need a new battery. Feels like once a year we do this. So, you know, stay safe, stay warm, quarantine, and pet your dogs. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, folks.